Notice how they have to drop your bag up, like right here. All right, so I'm at the orange tree. And this is how the room look as you enter it. Bed and all that is on this side. TV mounted. So we go around. So this is how the living room layout look. So as I'm still walking through, I'm headed to the pool and the jacuzzi area. So beautiful. This is a Valley Important Place showing you a resort style. Found it, you know. So, this is how it looks. Hot tub tonight. Paint a rock, you know, paint a rock, paint a rock, paint a rock. What is it painting now? You gonna paint something? That's the hot tub. On a golf course resort review.